Hello sweetcorns, welcome back. Today I am going to show you all how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. From creating a Gmail ID to fully setting up your YouTube channel and verifying your phone number, everything in one video. Hence this video gonna be a little longer. Let's start. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you first need a Gmail account. You can use your old Gmail, but it's recommended that you create a new one and don't use this Gmail anywhere else. I am going to show you two ways to create a new Gmail. First, open YouTube app and click on this U option down here, then on switch account and on this plus icon. This way you can create Gmail, or the second way is go to Gmail app. You can do this process using your phone as well. I am using my tab because it has bigger screen so you guys can see it better. After you open Gmail, click on this icon. It will show you all of your existing Gmail IDs. To create a new account, click on this add another account option here, then on Google. Also, I am hiding all of the names and Gmails because of privacy. It says here to sign in, but since we are creating a new Gmail, we have to click on create account, then tap on for my personal use and add your name. I am skipping the surname since it's optional. Then click on next and here add your birthday and your gender. Then again click on next. Here Google will suggest you some Gmail address. You can select one of these if you like, or you can create a new one. Then add password. Then click on next, and this is optional. You can add your phone number here or you can skip. I am going to add my phone number and I am going to click on yes, I am in. You can totally skip this process if you want. Now Google will send you a code to your number. You have to enter that code here and click on next. Again click on next. Then you can read the privacy and terms if you want, and then click on I agree. Now your new Gmail account is ready. Now let's go to YouTube and switch account with the new email or Gmail that we created. As you can see, I am already switched with the new email. Then click on create a channel, and here you can add the profile picture, change the name and handle. I am only going to change the name here, for example corn cat. You can change it later as well, but remember you can only change your YouTube channel's name twice in every 14 days. But I'll suggest you guys to stick with one unique channel name. Don't change it often. Like I named this channel corn 3 years ago and never changed it since. After I changed the name to corn cat, it automatically generated a similar looking YouTube handle as well. Next, let's open Chrome browser and click on youtube.com. Then click on the three dot option here on the top right corner and enable desktop site. If you are doing this on your phone, just follow the same process. Next, click on this sign in option and enter the email that we just created, and tap on next and enter the email password and click on next. Finally, our YouTube channel has been created, and now we are going to turn on all the important settings that makes a simple channel to a professional one. Click on your profile icon on the top right corner and tap on view your channel. It's going to take you to your home page. It's looking empty. We are going to customize it now. Click on the profile icon again and tap on YouTube Studio. If you have YouTube Studio app installed in your phone, it's going to redirect you to that app. Just click on the back button once and you will be back again to the Chrome browser page. Welcome to YouTube Studio. Let's click on continue. From here, to customize our channel, we are going to click on this customization option here. Here we are going to do all the channel customization. We are going to give this empty channel a personal touch. First, let's upload a profile picture. To do that, click on the upload here, and as I suggest for the channel name, Please try to stick with one profile picture, don't change it often. And if you want to change the profile picture, first let your subscribers know through your videos or community post. Same way, click on the banner image upload option to upload your channel banner. And you can see some blue lines here. It shows how your banner going to look on a different device. This profile picture and the banner I drew it myself. Try to upload simple, clean looking profile picture if possible. After uploading our banner image and profile, next here we have the options to change the channel name and handle. Since I already selected one name for my channel and I liked it, so I am leaving it as it is. But if you ever want to change your channel name, you can do it here. Next, I am going to change the handle. Try to select a handle name similar to your channel. It's already auto-generated a handle name similar to my channel name after I change it, but let's try if we can make it more similar. First, I am going to enter corncat. No, this handle is not available. Let's try corncat1. Yeah, it's available. When it's going to show you the green tick here, that means it's available. And under the handle we have description. Here you can write something about yourself or about what types of content you are going to upload on your channel, etc. Under description we have the option to add a language if you want, and under that we have our channel URL. You can share this URL with your family or friends. Next, in the links section you can add your social media or website. It's going to show up on your channel's about info page. Let's say I have an Instagram account that I want to share with my audience. In that case, what I am going to do is give it a link title first, then copy paste my Instagram URL here. I don't have one, but I hope you guys are getting an idea. You can add multiple social media accounts here. Next, we have contact info. It's asking you to add your email. It's going to show on your about section like the social media. This is basically for the people who wants to do sponsorship and stuff. If you add an email here, so brand can contact you through, or if anyone wants to collaborate with you. But if you are starting your YouTube channel, you don't need to add any email for now. And if you want to add, then create a new email first. Don't add the email that you used to create your channel with, because this is going to be public. And lastly, at the bottom here we have video watermark. You sometimes may see a little image at the down right corner of YouTube videos. You can upload your own logo or whatever image you want here. So our profile is all set, and if we click on the home tab here, we can customize our video layout. It's not going to work now until we upload a few videos first. Now most important part is to save all the changes that we made. We have to click on the publish button on the top right corner. Next, go ahead and click on the profile, then on view channel. And now this is what our channel looks like. So we've got our banner at the top and our profile picture. Here you can always change this by clicking on the customize channel option. If you click on more, it's going to show you the about page. Everything that we enter in the description of our channel show up here. I did not add any social media link, but if you add, it's going to show up here below the description. Let's go back to YouTube Studio. So here you won't be able to access some features until you upload actual videos. You upload a video, you will see all the details here on the dashboard. Under dashboard we have content. Here all of your videos will be listed. Under that is analytics. Here's nothing to show right now, but you will see all of your views, watch time, subscribers, audience and lots more. Next, under analytics we have comments. Any comments you get in your videos will be listed here, and under comments is subtitles. Under that we have copyright, then is earn. After your channel gets monetized, you will see all the details here. Next is customize, that I already showed you guys, and lastly we have audio library. Here you can download copyright free music for your videos. Next we have, and I think is very important, settings. Click it open. Here first we have general, where you can set your default currency. Leave it as it is, we don't need to change anything here. Under that is channel, where we need to set most of the options. First let's set our country of residence. Mine is India, so I am going to click on India here. You have to add your own country name. Then under that we have to add some keywords. Remember only to add keywords and that are related to your channel or the type of content that you are going to upload. For example, let's say I am going to upload my cat's video here, so the keywords that I'm going to enter, something like cute cats, cat video, and etc. Make sure to enter a comma to separate the keywords. Next go to advanced settings, and this is where you can set your channel defaults, like set your channel as made for kids or not. No, I don't make kids content, so I am going to click on no. Then you can add automatic captions and some other settings. They are not important, so you can skip those. Next go to the most important settings, feature eligibility. To have a successful YouTube channel, you need to enable these settings first. By default, the standard features will be enabled. You have to go to the second, intermediate features, and click on the eligible option here. It's asking you to verify your phone number. If you verify your phone number here, you will be able to access all the intermediate features, like you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you can add custom thumbnails on your videos, and you can live stream. So this feature is very important and we need to enable it. To do that, click on the verify phone number option here. After that, here select your country and add your phone number. Then click on next. Make sure that you select this text me the verification code option first. Now YouTube will send you a 6-digit code on your number. You have to enter that here and submit. So our phone number is verified. Next go back to the settings and see the intermediate features is enabled now. Third, here we have advanced features. So if you enable this, you will be able to appealing content ID claims, create more live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, and so on. So there's 3 ways you can enable this feature. First is by video verification, second is by ID verification, and third is what I'll suggest you guys to do is channel history. Just leave it as it is, it will automatically enable itself after 2 months. So we are done here. Let's go to upload defaults. First we have basic info. Here you can enter a title and a description and select your visibility and add tags if you don't want to do that with every one of your videos. Well, titles are not going to be exactly same. You have to create a new title for each one of your videos, so you may not need to enter anything here, but your description can be pretty much same each time. If you want, then you can enter that here and it will be pre-filled whenever you upload a video. Next we have visibility. I will suggest you guys to set this either private or unlisted, because if you set this to public and when you upload a video, it will go public right away, and we don't need that. First we need to review our video to check if everything is okay to be published, then public it. So it's better to set this either unlisted or private here. And for tags, every video is going to have different tags related to the topic of that video, so I like to add them manually each time I upload. Next, click on the advanced settings tab. Here first we have automatic captions and it's on by default. Next, license, leave it as it is, and category is also going to be different each time related to the topic of your video. Next, here you can pre-select your video language, title and description language, because I think that's going to be the same for every video, so I'm going to select English here. And comments is also on by default, so everything is done here. We don't need to go through the other settings, they are not important. And to save everything, click on the save button down here, And remember, everything that I showed you guys, you can adjust them according to your needs and can change them later too if you want. Let's see how our channel looks like on the YouTube app. If you click on the more here, you will see your about info, and if you click on this pen icon, you will be able to edit the about info from here. And if you want to change the profile picture or the banner, click on this camera icon and you can change the name, handle and the description from here as well. That's it. I hope this video will help you guys a little bit. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will answer them all. To enable monetization on your channel, you have to first get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours under 365 days. Good luck with that, everyone. Last piece of advice: work hard, upload regularly, make videos on trendy topics, interact with your audience more. You are going to get 100% success. But YouTube is not magic, it's going to take time. Look, I started YouTube back in December 2021, almost 3 years now, and still my channel did not get 1000 subscribers yet, and it won't be this year as well. But I don't mind that. I mainly created this channel to share a little bit of my creative side with everyone in the internet, because no one acknowledges them in real life, and I am happy with it. No, I'm not saying that money is not important. If I ever get monetized, I'll be the happiest person. I will be able to buy more art supplies, but that was not my main goal behind creating this channel. And you can tell by my horrible uploading schedule that I am not working hard enough. Well, yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If any of you create a YouTube channel after watching this video, I wish you the best. Stay healthy, stay safe, eat well, drink enough water. Love you guys. Bye.